हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स। और आप देख सकते हो आज के वीडियो में मेरे साथ है होंडा की नई NX 500। नाउ दिस इज़ अ हेवीली रिवर्क्ड CB500X जो इंडियन मार्केट में बेची जाती थी। दैट इज़ नाउ गॉन एंड इट इज़ रिप्लेस्ड विद दिस द NX 500। मेरे हिसाब से दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड लुकिंग मोटरसाइकिल, वेरी डिफरेंट कंपेयर टू दी CB500X। एंड इन दिस वीडियो हम बात करने वाले हैं इस मोटरसाइकिल के राइड एंड हैंडलिंग पैकेज के बारे में। हमने एक अलग वीडियो अपलोड किया है वेयर वी टॉक अबाउट दिस मोटरसाइकिल्स डिज़ाइन, the ergonomics and the features. इस वीडियो में the main focus is going to be how does this bike feel once you swing a leg and once you get going. Is it justifying the price tag? इन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे। So let us straight get into it and let me tell you everything that is important to know about this NX 500 before bringing it home. सो ये होंडा NX 500 एडवेंचर टूरर मोटरसाइकिल जो है, दिस हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड इन इंडिया एट अ प्राइस ऑफ ₹5.9 लाख एक्स शोरूम। ये एक CBU मोटरसाइकिल है एंड दैट इज़ वाई द प्राइसिंग इज़ अ लिटिल स्टीप। बट वंस यू एक्सपीरियंस दिस मोटरसाइकिल, let me tell you, the quality is so good, the motorcycle is overall so well finished that you will be willing to accept this price tag. सबसे पहले अभी चलिए बात करते हैं इस मोटरसाइकिल के स्पेसिफिकेशंस के बारे में। एज यू नो, दिस इज़ अ ट्विन सिलेंडर मोटरसाइकिल। सो दिस NX 500 इज़ पावर्ड बाय अ 471cc लिक्विड कूल्ड DOHC inline 2-cylinder motor which produces 35 kilowatts of power at 8,600 RPM and 43 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. इस engine के साथ आपको एक 6-speed का gearbox दिया गया है. Of course, you get a slip and assist clutch. You are getting features such as traction control which is also switchable. इस मोटरसाइकिल के साथ आपको 17.5 लीटर्स की फ्यूल टैंक कैपेसिटी मिलती है. The curb weight is 196 kg. Ground clearance है 181 millimeters का. And this motorcycle rides on a 19-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel. NX 500 के साथ आपको एक Showa 41 mm upside down front fork मिलता है which is a separate function fork. It is a big piston fork and at the back you get a ProLink monoshock which is adjustable for preload. सो होंडा ने जब ये NX 500 रिवील की थी लास्ट ईयर, आई इंस्टेंटली लाइक्ड इट बिकॉज कंपेयर टू द CB500X, दिस लुक्स वेरी डिफरेंट एंड it has a very, modern but retro kind of a squarish design language, and I think it does stand out especially in this segment. Now सबसे पहले सुन लेते हैं इस मोटरसाइकिल की एग्जॉस्ट नोट. The mic is inside my helmet and this is how the bike sounds. One touch starter of course आपको मिलता है. Very relaxed idle, typical of a Honda, typical refinement of a Honda. एंड एज यू कैन नोटिस RPM जो है वो फ्लक्चुएट भी नहीं होता है. ऑफ कोर्स द मोटर इज़ हॉट, वी हैव बीन राइडिंग इट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टू रोल दिस वीडियो, बट इट इज़ क्वाइट नाइस, इट इज़ क्वाइट रिफाइंड एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द एग्जॉस्ट साउंड्स. लेट मी गेट गोइंग, ट्राई टू लिसन टू द एग्जॉस्ट. क्वाइट नाइस, इज़न्ट इट? एंड अ वेरी प्लेजेंट एग्जॉस्ट टोन. नाउ चलिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप फैशन में बात करते हैं. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज द प्राइस टैग. नाउ इट कॉस्ट्स ऑलमोस्ट 7.5 lakh rupees ऑन रोड हियर इन मुंबई. नाउ फॉर दिस प्राइस, ये जो NX 500 है, it is way more expensive if you are someone who is comparing this bike with the new Himalayan or with the KTM 390 Adventure. Let me tell you, don't make that comparison because both of those motorcycles are completely different. They are single cylinder made in India bikes. This is a CBU, this is a twin cylinder motorcycle, and once you don't make those comparisons. Once you stop making such comparisons, तभी आप इस मोटरसाइकिल की वैल्यू जो है उसे अंडरस्टैंड कर पाओगे. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, it is quite an impressive motorcycle, this NX 500. The problem is that this Honda NX 500, it is priced and positioned in a segment where direct rival जो है that is only the Kawasaki versus 650. But in my opinion, that is a very, very ugly motorcycle. I just don't even want to compare it with this NX 500. And that also is not an apples to apples comparison because वो एक 650cc मोटरसाइकिल है, ये एक 500cc क्लास मोटरसाइकिल है. But nevertheless, if you ask me, I think this NX 500 is definitely justifying the price tag. And let me give you a quick reference. मेरे पास थी एक KTM 390 Adventure. I owned it for 4 years. Just last month I picked up an Interceptor 650. I sold my KTM 390 Adventure, and this bike was also in my consideration list, but then I was too infatuated with the Interceptor, so I had to get it. लेकिन जब से मैं ये बाइक रिव्यू के लिए चला रहा हूँ, I have been mighty impressed, and I have been recalculating my finances. If at all I can afford another motorcycle just within 2 months of buying something else already. So that is my 2 cents about the pricing. Yes, it is expensive, but if you think that quality matters to you, अगर आप टॉप क्वालिटी मोटरसाइकिल के लिए प्रीमियम पैसे खर्चे करने से शर्माने नहीं वाले हो, then you will appreciate this package, this Honda NX 500. The next point to talk about is the NVH package. Honda है तो refined तो होगी ही, and of course it is very, very smooth and it is very, very relaxed. Check this out. एक बस को मैं फॉलो कर रहा हूँ under 40 kilometers per hour in 4th gear. I can actually even switch to 5th gear under 40. No hesitation, no jerks, no knocking. बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है ये मोटर at low speeds in higher gear, and just get on the gas and it has enough punch, enough poke to get you going. So the NVH characteristic is very nice. Vibrations जो हैं वो भी काफ़ी कम हैं. Today morning when I was riding from Mumbai to Pune, I was doing 100 to 120 kilometers per hour, and there was barely any vibrations which were disturbing me or bothering me. The only place where I noticed some vibrations, some buzz, was around this panel over here, and that's about it. Handlebar पे मुझे कोई vibration feel नहीं हुआ, and even the foot pegs, no buzz, and I was very, very happy on the saddle of this NX 500. So typical of Honda motorcycles, ये NX 500, it will shine in the refinement department, and almost everybody who will swing a leg on this, they will say that this they can ride all day long, this they can ride without feeling stressed or tired, and even the engine doesn't show any signs of stress. You might have noticed that I was struggling to get the turn indicator, indicated, because the switch cubes, they are so messed up. I mean, I don't know why Honda को ये करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. They just like to play around with the buttons and the placement of the buttons. So conventional placement ये नहीं है. एंड एवरी टाइम आपको टर्न इंडिकेटर देना है, आप हॉर्न प्रेस कर दोगे. जब आप हॉर्न प्रेस करने जाओगे, वो हॉर्न बटन इतना छोटा है कि आप हॉर्न नहीं प्रेस कर पाओगे. एंड देन दिस टॉगल कंट्रोल फॉर योर स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर, दैट ऑल्सो इज अ लिटिल टू स्मॉल. सो मोर अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दिस इन द डिज़ाइन रिव्यू वीडियो. ओवरऑल अर्गोनॉमिक्स के डिपार्टमेंट में ज़्यादा कोई चैलेंजेस नहीं है, बट the right hand side buttons are large, so they are easy, but they are also not the ideal placement, because check this out. Why is this button reversed? I mean, it should be the other way around, but it is what it is. This is Honda's way of thinking and confusing riders, or keeping them awake, alert and engaged to use the right button. Never mind. So the NVH, definitely a thumbs up from my end. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा हायर रेव्स पे भी इस बाइक को चला लोगे, तभी भी आपको ज़्यादा वाइब्रेशंस की दिक्कत फील नहीं होगी. एंड नन ऑफ द पार्ट्स बाय द वे मूव अराउंड और वाइब्रेट और शेक डांस when you are heavy on the throttle. So that shows how well built this motorcycle is. So by the way, we are connecting the Mumbai-Pune expressway. So this little patch is allowed for two-wheelers. Before we start riding a little fast, let me also very quickly talk about the ease of use and weight management. ये मोटरसाइकिल दिखने में बड़ी ज़रूर है, so it might be intimidating अगर ये आपकी पहली बिग बाइक है, अगर ये आपकी पहली मल्टी सिलेंडर मोटरसाइकिल है. बट वंस यू स्विंग अ लेग इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू मैनेज. और ये बाइक ज़्यादा हैवी आपको फील नहीं होगी, आपको किसी की हेल्प लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. अगर आपकी हाइट 5 फीट 4 इंचेस भी है या उससे कम भी है तो भी यू विल एटलीस्ट हैव 1 फुट कंफर्टेबली ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो दिस बाइक इज़ डेफिनेटली वेरी ईजी टू मैनेज. I am 5 feet 8 inches and I could have both my feet flat on the ground without any problem at all times, solo, without a pillion. So a very easy motorcycle to manage. पार्किंग लॉट में भी आप इसे काफ़ी आसानी से मूव कर पाओगे, धक्का दे पाओगे, या बाइक को बिना स्टार्ट किए you will be able to move it around. So that will give you a lot of confidence in your initial days of ownership. इस मोटरसाइकिल का वेट जो है समझने के लिए काफ़ी आसान है. And the weight bias is such that you will not be fighting the motorcycle too much in your initial days of ownership. So there won't be too much of a struggle. आपका learning curve जो है it will be short and quick, and then you will be able to make the most out of this package of this NX 500. अगला पॉइंट है राइडर्स ट्रायंगल का. Now this is an adventure tourer, so you sit nice and upright. The handlebar is also relatively wide. फुट पेग्स जो हैं वो रियर सेट हैं, बट दे आर नॉट ओवरली एग्रेसिव एंड दे आर नॉट committed rear set types. So your lower body is in a sporty position because of those rear set foot pegs, but your upper body is completely relaxed. आप upright बैठते हो. I am almost completely upright on the saddle of this motorcycle, and the handlebar is such, the positioning is such that मैं आगे की तरफ बिल्कुल भी झुक रहा नहीं हूँ. So no pain on my wrist, no pain on my elbows, shoulders, or even on my back. This is a very very relaxed rider's triangle, and I can be here for hours. Mumbai to Goa मैं non-stop इस बाइक को चला पाऊँगा, and I don't think I will be tired at the end of my journey. I will still have enough juice in my body to ride more if I feel like after such a long trip. So that is how good this rider's triangle is. And speaking about that rider's triangle, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ this motorcycle has a fantastic, a phenomenal seat. Very very comfortable, very very cushiony. It gives you a very good compression. जब आप ख़राब रास्तों पे से चला लेते हो इसको तो आपको खड्डों पे बिल्कुल भी झटके थर्ड्स फील नहीं होंगे. Your bottom is going to thank you for buying this motorcycle. It is that comfortable. So I really like it, and big shout out and thumbs up to Honda for giving us such a seat which is so touring friendly. Check this out very quickly. Speedometer cluster की theme change हो चुकी है. It is now in a dark theme because we have entered a tunnel. So रात को ये speedometer इस तरह से दिखेगा. And once you are in daylight, have a look at this. Automatic setting है ये. So now it is a white backlit display. Color display है, and the speedometer is very very crisp. काफ़ी सारी information आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई देती है. You have multiple layouts in this speedometer cluster, so there is a lot of information that is shared with you. Smartphone connectivity भी आपको मिलती है, and you can get navigation display also over there. आपको voice alerts भी सुनाई देंगे, and the Honda app which you can connect via Android or Apple iOS. It works flawlessly. I downloaded it yesterday, and within maybe 5 minutes, I could easily pair this motorcycle to my smartphone, and I was good to go. So this display, coupled with the navigation, coupled with the smartphone connectivity and connected features, flawless, very easy to use. Now, let's talk about the small and significant features. ये डिस्प्ले जो है यहाँ पे जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिलती है, a quick glance and you can easily consume the data that you wish. I don't know, for some reason I have been unable to find where the distance to empty is displayed. Range display मुझे कहीं पे भी नज़र नहीं आई. So I wonder if that feature is available on this motorcycle or not. But otherwise you have everything else, including your average fuel economy, trip computers and whatnot. So all the information, all that you need from a modern motorcycle, everything is present over here. और आपको एक चार्जिंग पॉइंट भी दिया गया है, 12 वोल्ट का सॉकेट भी यहाँ पे दिया गया है. And you can mount your GPS accessories over here if you feel like, and you can charge it on the go or charge your smartphones. So overall this is a very good cockpit, a good view. Mirrors जो हैं वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, they are nice and broad, so they give you a good view of what you are leaving behind. अगला पॉइंट है ये विंड स्क्रीन. So it is not the tallest, but it is reasonably tall. The only thing is that in terms of wind deflection, आज जब मैं इस बाइक को चला रहा था सुबह को, I was riding it a little fast, there was a lot of wind buffeting that I could feel. So maybe a taller windscreen could help, or maybe a better shaped windscreen could help and aid the aerodynamic efficiency. But a good looking unit nevertheless. It blends well with the overall design of this motorcycle. और सी थ्रू है, स्मोक्ड स्क्रीन है, लेकिन फिर भी आप रास्ता जो है देख पाते हो थ्रू द विंड स्क्रीन. सो ओवरऑल फंक्शनैलिटी के डिपार्टमेंट में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है. नाउ आई एम इन अ घाट सेक्शन एंड एज यू कैन नोटिस आई एम नाइसली फ्लोइंग, एंड दिस मोटरसाइकिल लाइक आई मेंशन्ड it is very easy to ride. Now in terms of handling characteristic, ये बाइक जो है, ये जो NX 500 है, this is not a slicer, this is a bike that likes to flow. So you know, it is not razor sharp when it comes to attacking corners. It might feel that ये बाइक थोड़ी slow है to steer into a corner, but once you get a hang of it, you will really like it. So that is something that you expect also from an adventure tourer. ये एक heavy motorcycle है. As you can notice, the front half of the bike is very bulky. This is not a naked street fighter motorcycle. तो ये ज़्यादा aggressively corners में enter नहीं कर पाएगी. But the way it manages corners, the way it flows into a corner, the way it manages a line that you want it to, it is very confidence inspiring. And you know, it will not make you feel nervous or you know, throw any tantrums or scare you. 200 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा मैं इस बाइक को चला चुका हूँ, and not even once did I overshoot a corner or you know, got scared that the bike is probably going to miss the line that I wanted to. So इसके वजह से भी ये एक अच्छी पहली प्रीमियम बिग बाइक आपके लिए हो सकती है. Since we are talking about the ride and handling, I really want to highlight the ride quality aspect. This motorcycle is like, you know, a magic carpet. अगर इंडियन ऑटोमोटिव स्पेस में या ग्लोबल ऑटोमोटिव स्पेस में मर्सिडीज बेंज की एस क्लास, इफ़ यू कंसिडर दैट एज द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल राइड, द मोस्ट लग्जूरियस राइड, लेट मी टेल यू, दिस इज़ एट सिमिलर लेवल्स. नाउ देयर इज़ अ फ्लिप साइड टू इट, दैट कुछ लोगों को ये राइड क्वालिटी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट लग सकती है. They might think that it is bouncing a bit too much and it is floating around a bit too much. But let me tell you, इंडियन सड़कों पे रास्ते प्रिडोमिनेंटली इतने ख़राब है, स्पीड ब्रेकर्स इतने रैंडमली बनाए जाते हैं विदाउट एनी थॉट और साइंस बिहाइंड इट, दैट a soft suspension setup, a plush suspension setup is going to keep you happy for a really long time. और ये NX 500 जो है, it really shines and outshines any other motorcycle in the segment. The ride quality is couch-like. It is so good that today when I went from Mumbai to Pune, I went to attend the Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z launch. And you know, while attending that launch, after having ridden this motorcycle for so long in the day, I was not tired at all. The ride quality was so good that I was full of energy and not at all, you know, worked out. It is that good. अब होता यह है that when the road surface is uneven, बहुत ज़्यादा ही uneven जब रास्ता होगा, तो आपको वो पूरी तरह से वैलोई मूवमेंट जो है वो फील हो सकती है if the road surface is really bad. But the good thing is, जब रास्ता इतना ख़राब है या पथरीला है, आपको झटके फील नहीं होंगे. यू विल बी वेरी वेरी comfortable. Your bottom will not feel any jerk, and because of that you will be able to carry extra speed and you will not have to slow down. और अगर आपके साथ कोई पिलियन भी बैठा हुआ है, he or she will also appreciate the ride quality. So this is going to be a very comfortable motorcycle for two. So your pillion, he or she might not complain that the ride quality is not, good enough. होता ये है that when the rider is enjoying his or her motorcycle, the pillion is obviously left to do nothing. And ऐसे सिचुएशन में अगर राइड क्वालिटी ज़्यादा शार्प होगी, so the pillion might not be happy for too long. Over here the pillion will also sing along with you, and I mean, I have been blown away. I am mighty impressed with this NX 500. The only problem is people just keep talking about the price tag and they fail to appreciate what the product is. And I want to tell you that just go ahead and take a test ride. For the Indian streets, this bike makes a lot of sense. And going over speed breakers, very cushiony ride quality. Carry a little extra speed. The suspension rebound is such that your wheel is going to be connected to the road very quickly. Then when the suspension compresses, once you are over the speed breaker or any obstacle, that once the suspension is compressing, then the seat will also give you some soft compression for extra comfort. And that overall compression, it is so soft, it is so squishy that it is so comfortable, and it is hard not to appreciate it. Of course, अगर आप ज़्यादा ही फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस टाइप के राइडर हो और आप ज़्यादा ही एग्रेसिवली एक मोटरसाइकिल चलाते हो ऑल द टाइम, तभी आपको ये राइड क्वालिटी थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब कर सकती है. बिकॉज मिड कॉर्नर अगर अंडुलेशंस होंगे तो ये मोटरसाइकिल जो है इट कैन फील अ लिटिल बाउंसी मिड कॉर्नर्स, बट इफ़ यू गेट अ हैंग ऑफ इट यू कैन स्टिल गेट अवे with that nature of the motorcycle and you will be able to play with it. I am not complaining because I am very happy on the saddle. Now let us talk about the engine. हमने engine के बारे में बात ही नहीं की है, and that is because there is nothing really special about it. The numbers are not exceptional. Now I know that a lot of people will compare it to the KTM 390 Adventure, and that bike at almost maybe half the price is offering you almost the same levels of power and torque. But the refinement game is completely different. KTM के engines की NVH जो है, it is towards the harsher side. This is very smooth, this is butter smooth, this is very refined. So दोनों ही motorcycles का nature जो है वो काफ़ी अलग है, and that is why ये NX 500 जो है, it might not feel too rapid under hard acceleration. You might feel that it is a little lethargic, but it is actually not. You are picking up pace, but because the motor doesn't feel so frantic, you will feel that it is easy going. But what is wrong with easy going? It is actually a good thing. Because of that, ये motorcycle जो है, this is going to be very very forgiving even to newbie riders, and I really like that. KTM, the 390 series, that engine is a little too much to handle if you are a new rider, and if you go full gas it can scare you because the motorcycle is so fast, it is so light that someone who doesn't have experience, he or she can get into trouble. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है that this motorcycle is completely slow. It can achieve 150 kilometers per hour easily and do even more if the roads allow and if the situation allows. And ideal cruising speed is somewhere between 100 to 130 kmph. It can do that all day long. Even 120 to 130 is easy for all day long cruising. You only have switchable traction control. आपको कोई राइडिंग मोड्स भी नहीं मिलते हैं इस मोटरसाइकिल के साथ. So I wish an eco mode or a sport mode was also on offer, but then there is not too much of a ceiling in that power and torque output that Honda could cut it or increase it or find a midway. So they just left it as is. It is a very friendly motorcycle, so I'm thinking that it wouldn't have made too much of a sense if there were too many ride modes anyway. This is good enough for anyone and everyone, the newbie riders and even the experienced riders. अगर सेडेड राइडिंग स्टाइल है आपकी तो ये बाइक आपको कभी भी बोर नहीं करेगी. अगर आप फास्ट चलाना ही पसंद करते हो predominantly, then maybe you will get, you know, bored of this motorcycle in terms of this not being able to excite you. Nothing will go wrong, but it might not just be exciting. अगला पॉइंट जिसके बारे में मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ, that is the clutch. It is so light. It is super light. Check this out. One finger operation and it is very very light. इतना light clutch मैंने सिर्फ बजाज के पल्सर N250 पे यूज़ किया था, and this is quite a compliment to both the brands that they have such a light clutch and it makes riding in Indian traffic conditions very very easy and effortless. A light clutch is a boon and it is, you know, something that you will appreciate अगर आप डेली कम्यूट करते हो किसी भी बाइक पे. The gearbox is very precise, slick shifting. एक भी बार false shift, miss shift इस बाइक ने नहीं किया, and it is such an effortless motorcycle to ride that you won't be left, you know, disappointed. Of course, you can be left wanting for more because everybody has desires and people are never satisfied. But this is not disappointing. This is not something that will let you down. Check this out. 6th gear, just opening up the gas. I have not downshifted and it's very easy to achieve silly speeds, to achieve triple digit speeds, and you can get into trouble in terms of getting a speeding ticket. But like you might have noticed, it builds up pace gradually, nice and linear, you know, power output, power delivery. So even when you get on the gas, ऐसा नहीं है that the surge is, you know, something that is going to get the front wheel a little loose and light. It pulls strongly, but it pulls in a nice and secure way, and that a lot of people like. Contrary to, you know, popular opinion of keyboard warriors who say that, oh no, this is too boring, the Hondas are not exciting motorcycles. When they will be riding these bikes, they will actually be in the sweetest spot and not at the higher end of the rev limiter. I'm going to tell you that because you just enjoy the scenery so much more when your motorcycle doesn't require an extra effort. And I really like such bikes which are easygoing and which let you enjoy the ride, which let you enjoy your journey rather than fighting the bike and, you know, constantly working with the gearbox or, you know, being unsettled because of a stiff ride quality. Now let us check out if this Honda NX 500 is a fast motorcycle. It is asking for a lot of money, but can it justify that with performance? Let us check it out. So in 3, 2, 1. Listen to the engine. Not rapid performance, but definitely fast enough to keep you thrilled out on the highway. Let us try that one more time after we have a good view of the road ahead. I don't think we can do it right now, but we will do that after we connect onto the highway. But check this out, rumbler patch, not slowing down, so comfortable. बिल्कुल भी झटके मुझे फील नहीं हुए on my bottom. The suspension is just phenomenal. I mean, mamma mia, what a suspension. I love it. I absolutely love it. As you noticed, I went over a dusty gravel kind of a patch. The tires had good grip, no complaints in the grip department. So I'm going to come to a standstill and I'm going to accelerate one more time from zero, from a standstill. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Super light clutch and listen to the engine, check out the speed. Linear power delivery throughout, and it's quite a fast motorcycle. It's not a rapid motorcycle, but it is definitely fast, and like I said, you can easily cross 150 kilometers per hour, and the deceleration and braking hardware is also good enough for you to slow down and put the anchors down if you notice a speed camera or if you notice a speed limit sign. So right now the speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour on this patch. Below 80, law abiding citizen, isn't it? माइलेज की अगर बात करें तो सुबह से जब हम इस बाइक को रिव्यू कर रहे हैं, वी आर एक्चुअली रिव्यूइंग इट सिंस 3 days एंड वी हैड रीसेट द ट्रिप. सो द बाइक वॉज रिडन इन मुंबई पीक आवर ट्रैफिक. उसके बाद आज हम इस बाइक को चला के गए फ्रॉम मुंबई टू पुणे थ्रू अ घाट रोड विच इज़ द खंडाला घाट्स. देन नाउ वी आर बैक फ्रॉम पुणे टू नवी मुंबई and the fuel economy is 28.5 kmpl. Now this includes quite a bit of high speed riding and it also includes highway cruising. So 28.5 and multiply that with 17.5 liters of fuel tank capacity, आपको बहुत ही बढ़िया टैंक रेंज मिलने वाली है इस Honda NX 500 के साथ. So fuel stops are not going to be a concern for you. This is going to be quite an efficient 500cc class adventure tourer for you. अगला पॉइंट है टायर्स के बारे में. डनलप के टायर्स आपको इस बाइक के साथ मिलते हैं एंड दे हैव ऑफर्ड मी वेरी गुड ग्रिप थ्रू आउट माई राइड टुडे. मैंने इस बाइक को घाट रोड्स में चलाया, मैंने इस बाइक को एक्सप्रेस हाईवे पे चलाया, मैंने इस बाइक को अभी टारमैक पे चला लिया है एंड आई वाज आल्सो राइडिंग इट ऑन द वर्स्ट city streets in the country in Mumbai. No problems in terms of grip, no hesitation at all in terms of grip. The traction control light did not even flash once. It is that good in terms of grip. Now I don't know about the wet surface performance, so if Honda is kind enough to lend us this motorcycle again during monsoon, we will speak more about that. Traction control on off करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे एक switch दिया गया है. Long press it and you can very easily switch off traction control. Long press it again and it comes up to life. Check this out. Throttle मैंने part throttle activated रखा है and even while doing so the traction control can be switched on or switched off. So ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है that you have to cut off the throttle to make any of these changes. Brakes are also very good. Dual disc brake setup at the front, single disc at the back. Dual channel ABS आपको दिया गया है and there is very good stopping power. Now the brake bite is also quite good, but it will surprise you because of the nose dive at the front end. Check this out. Let me come to the left lane. अगर मैं sharp input दे देता हूँ तो check out how much the nose dives. Check this out. So this can unsettle you. If not you, it might unsettle your pillion because the front end of the motorcycle dives a lot. So इस चीज़ का आपको ध्यान देना है. But in terms of putting the anchors down, ये बाइक आप सेफली रुका पाओगे अगर किसी इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में आपको कोई ऑब्स्टिकल भी अवॉइड करना है. सो नो कंसर्न्स ओवर द ब्रेकिंग हार्डवेयर. इट्स क्वाइट अ हॉट सनी डे राइट नाउ एंड इवन इन द मॉर्निंग, even though you were riding before 10 a.m. it was almost 30-35 degrees, somewhere between that. and जब मैं घाट रोड्स में भी इस बाइक को चला रहा था, no signs of brake fade or anything like that. So everything is very well put together on this Honda NX 500. Now what we are going to do is we will ride it a little fast. I hope that the microphone can keep up and there is not too much of wind noise so that you can hear me clearly. So check this out. 6th gear, 100 kilometers per hour, and we are going to encounter some twists and turns. Right now I am heading towards Mumbai from Lonavala, and this is the old Mumbai-Pune highway. A very beautiful road. अगर आपने इस रोड पे कभी एक बाइक राइड नहीं की है, I would recommend that you come here during the monsoon season. The scenery is magical. You will love your bike ride. Check this out. You can easily overtake slow-paced cars out on the highway. कोई भी problem आपको feel नहीं होगा. The motorcycle will not feel underpowered at all. The handling characteristic is very nice. It is very neutral. Like I said, not razor sharp, but it flows very smoothly. It flows with class. It flows with perfection. And because of that, you will have a really good time on your long highway tours. jumping over speed breakers is so much fun because you know what, अगर आप कोई और मोटरसाइकिल पे स्पीड ब्रेकर पे से एक्स्ट्रा स्पीड कैरी करके जंप कर लेते हो, when you land on your seat, you know, you might get a tight little, how should we call it, slap. I don't want to use the other word. So on this, it is so comforting. The seat is so soft that you land on a maybe pillow. That kind of a softness you will notice on this NX 500. And I am very very impressed with the ride quality. Check this out. I wanted to switch off the indicator but मैंने horn बजा दिया because these switch cubes are, I don't know what. Why did they want to reinvent the wheel? Honda always likes to do that. Now when I am out on the highway at 100 kilometers per hour, थोड़ी बहुत wind buffeting मुझे feel हो रही. So right now check this out. Switching lanes, attacking corners, nice and flowy movement, good confidence, no scare, बिल्कुल भी आपको nervousness feel नहीं होगा. Bike जो है, it is on a half tank of fuel, so it is not fully filled up. But in the morning when it was, managing the weight of the bike, no problem. ज़्यादा top heavy ये motorcycle feel नहीं हो रही थी. So I think Honda की ये जो NX 500 है, it is a very well-rounded product. Just ignore the price tag and go and get a test ride. If you like it, then maybe you will be able to add 1+1 and then decide if that price tag of close to 7.5 or under 7.5 is justified for you, your riding requirement, your garage goals, and for this kind of a package. अगर मुझे आज की डेट में 10 लाख के नीचे एक एडवेंचर टूरर खरीदनी होती, I can assure you I would have brought this home. It's a Honda, it's expensive, but then it is reliable. So you know, जो भी पैसे आप initially premium पे कर देते हो to acquire the motorcycle, you make up for it in your ownership cost because these bikes are so well built that they will last you a lifetime अगर आप इनका अच्छा ध्यान रखते हो, इनका अच्छा ख्याल रखते हो. So that is all that I want to tell you about this Honda NX 500. It's a very likable motorcycle, it's a very lovable motorcycle, and it is a fun bike for sure. If you have any other queries about it, ask me in the comments below and I will try my best to help you out. Till next time, subscribe कीजिए Shifting Gears के channel को, press that bell icon. Always ride safe, and always guys, wear your helmets, always use your turn indicators, wear proper riding gear, whatever you can afford, save some money and get decent riding gear, not to look cool but for protection.